With the release of Mastercam 2023, the Unified Multiaxis toolpath is superseding the morph, parallel, along curve, and project curve toolpaths. This change simplifies the Mastercam Multiaxis product, making it easier for new Mastercam users to choose the right multi-axis toolpath. This change may leave experienced Mastercam users wondering, how do I make an along curve toolpath now? The cut pattern of an along curve toolpath is projected onto machining geometry perpendicular to a selected seed curve. For this reason, the term along curve has been replaced with perpendicular for this style of motion. Before we can build a unified toolpath on the Lidded Ewer, we must first create some geometry. With only level 3 showing, let's create a power surface on this wireframe chain. This surface will be our machining geometry. Next, create a curved center in between the green and purple splines. This will be our seed curve. Now we can make our unified toolpath. Select the ball end mill. On the Cut Pattern tab, we can select our machining geometry. Next, select the Cut Pattern seed curve. In the Style dropdown, select Perpendicular. Click OK to generate the toolpath. The resulting motion is clean, simple, and always perpendicular to the selected curve. There is one area of concern, however. At the widest portion of the horn, there is a variation in the seed curve, causing a slightly inconsistent step over. Let's smooth out the seed curve to clean up this motion. Let's use Refit spline to simplify the seed curve. Now we can revisit the unified toolpath and select this new curve as our seed curve. Click Apply to see a preview. The inconsistencies have been removed and the step over has become perfectly uniform. The final step is to compensate the tool to the mesh body. On the collision control page, change the strategy to Retract Tool. Activate the Avoidance Geometry checkbox and select the blue mesh on level 2 as the geometry. Click OK to generate the toolpath. Merging this style of motion into the unified toolpath is an advantage because if we decide that we'd rather run the tool along the horn's length, we could simply change the cut pattern style to guide and regenerate the toolpath. The Unified Multiaxis toolpath in Mastercam 2023 makes it easier than ever to create the best possible multi-axis tool motion.